Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 8B, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Then choose Allow and tap on the Home button. After that, click on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap OK, got it. After that, as you can see, iOS Launcher will work successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!